Okay, today we're going to work on solving word problems with elapsed time. Okay, so let's do this example together. It says, field day starts at 12:15 p.m. and ends at 3:30 p.m. You spend an equal amount of time at each activity. How much time do you spend at each activity? So if we look over here, field day activities, we have 5 activities, okay? We're going to need to remember that. All right, so let's think. What do we already know? We already know when it starts, and we know when it ends. What do you need to find? We need to find how much time we spend at each activity. All right, now how are we going to solve this problem? What are we going to do? So we're going to do it by steps, okay? Our first step is to find how long we have. How long from 12:15 to 3:30 do we have? So they used a number line, which you can do, or you can use a clock, either way. So they're going by hours. So 12:15 to 1:15 to 2:15 to 3:15 and then 3:30, okay? So from 12:15 to 1:15 is 1 hour. 1:15 to 2:15 is 1 hour. 2:15 to 3:15 is 1 hour. And 15 to 30, 3:15 to 3:30 is 15 minutes. So let's add up all these hours. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 hours. All of these combined are 3 hours plus 15. So right here, field day is 3 hours long and 15 minutes. 3 hours and 15 minutes long. That's how much time we have. Next, we need to find out how many minutes long is field day. Okay, how many minutes long is field day? Okay, so we're going to convert 3 hours and 15 minutes to all minutes. Okay, so there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and we have 3 hours right here. So we're going to do 3 times 60. Okay, 3 times 6 is 18, plus our 1 0 is 180. Okay, we multiplied our 60 minutes by 3 hours. Okay, because there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So then we're going to take our 180 we just got right here, and we're going to add 15 minutes to it, because we already have 15 minutes is already in minutes. We don't got to transfer it to minutes, okay? 180 plus 15 is 195. If you needed to come over and do it to the side, you most definitely can, okay? So field day is 195 minutes long. Now we need to divide the total time, the 195, by how many field activities? We have 5 field activities right here. So we're going to take 195 and divide it by 5. Okay? So we're going to do long division for this. 5 times something cannot get 1. So we're going to take our first 2 numbers. 5 times what? It's going to get me close to 19 without going over. Yeah, 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. We couldn't use 5 times 4 because that's 20 and that's higher than 19. So we're going to do 15. So I'm going to put my 5 times 3. My 15 is down here. Okay, and we're going to bring this 5 down because we haven't touched it yet. And we're subtracting because we want to get to 0. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see it a little better. All right, I'm going to go ahead and bring my 5 down. 19 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. Good job. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So now we're going to do it again. 5 times what's going to get me 4? Nothing. So we're going to take the whole 45. Okay, we're going to take this whole 45. 5 times what's going to get me 45? 9. Great job. So then when we bring our 45 down, because 5 times 9 is 45, we get 0. Okay, so if we divide 195 by 5, we get 39. So we spend 39 minutes at each activity. So it's kind of a bit of a process, but I believe you can do it if you take it by steps. Let me know if you need any help.